Struggle makes you stronger. Life is not always smooth sailing. We all face challenges, obstacles, and setbacks along the way. Whether it's personal hardships, professional challenges, or unexpected twists of fate, struggles are an inevitable part of the human experience. But it's how we respond to these struggles that determines our growth, resilience, and ultimately, our success. Consider for a moment the concept of physical fitness. When we lift weights or engage in rigorous exercise, our muscles undergo stress and resistance. But it's through this process of strain and struggle that our muscles grow stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to handle future challenges. In much the same way, the struggles we face in life serve as a catalyst for growth, pushing us to develop inner strength, resilience, and determination that we never knew we possessed. Think back to a time when you faced a seemingly insurmountable challenge. Perhaps you experienced a setback in your career, went through a difficult breakup, or encountered a major obstacle on your path to success. In that moment, it may have felt like the world was crumbling around you. But through perseverance, resilience, and unwavering determination, you found a way to overcome the obstacle and emerge stronger on the other side. The truth is, struggles are not roadblocks to our success. They are stepping stones to our growth and development. Each struggle we face provides us with an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to become stronger versions of ourselves. It's through adversity that we discover our true potential, uncover hidden strengths, and develop the resilience needed to navigate life's challenges with grace and courage. But embracing the idea that struggle makes you stronger is not always easy. It requires courage, determination, and a willingness to lean into discomfort and uncertainty. It means facing your fears head-on, embracing the journey of growth and self-discovery, and refusing to let setbacks define you. So how do we harness the power of struggle to become stronger? First and foremost, we must adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and perseverance. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, learn from setbacks and failures, and view adversity as a chance to become better, not bitter. Secondly, we must cultivate resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, to persevere in the face of challenges, and to emerge stronger on the other side. Cultivate resilience by practicing self-care, seeking support from others, and maintaining a positive outlook even in the darkest of times.
Thirdly, we must embrace discomfort. Growth and transformation happen outside of our comfort zones, in the realm of uncertainty and fear. Embrace discomfort as a natural part of the growth process and lean into it with courage and determination. And finally, we must celebrate our victories, no matter how small. Every time we overcome a struggle, we grow stronger and more resilient. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your progress and use it as fuel to propel you forward on your journey. In closing, remember these words. Struggle makes you stronger. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Cultivate resilience, embrace discomfort, and celebrate your victories. With each struggle you face, you have the opportunity to emerge stronger, more resilient, and more capable of achieving your dreams.